You can work hard and play hard with the land-ready collection of Bobcat utility vehicle accessories. They keep you comfortable and productive all around your property. I'm Derek Holt with Bobcat. Let's take a closer look at the land-ready collection of accessories from Bobcat utility vehicles. These durable accessories come in handy to help you be more productive while driving and working around your land. The 3-position tip-out windshield provides reliable protection from the elements when closed, or it can be tilted out for additional ventilation. The windshield also features a gas strut assist and grab handle for easy open and close operation. The windshield wiper and washer help to clear your view of the travel path during inclement weather. Poly doors include hand roll-down glass windows, an interior liner, and keyed locks. You can enhance your visibility with adjustable door-mounted side view mirrors. The durable glass rear panel is scratch-resistant and provides protection from wind, inclement weather, and off-road dust or debris. The lightweight sport roof gives overhead protection from sun and elements to help you stay comfortable while you operate your vehicle. Protect the front and rear of the vehicle from brush and branches with corrosion-resistant, powder-coated, heavy-gauge brush guards. The Nerf Bars are made from durable stamped steel and powder-coated. They offer additional protection for the sides of your utility vehicle. Increased visibility in the evening while working in low-light conditions with a set of LED work lights. Ideal for nighttime utility work, the fold-away 360-degree work light illuminates dark spaces all around your vehicle. You can power your roof-mounted lights with a simple flip of a switch utilizing the roof light harness kit. Listen to your favorite music with a Bluetooth-compatible audio system. With a roof rack, there are no more tools bouncing around your cab or cargo box. Bring everything you need wherever the trail takes you. Just use the easy-to-install roof rack mount to secure the rack to the roof of your utility vehicle. The Eyelet Tie-Downs for this system attach to multiple places to help you secure your loads. Bring your jack wherever you go so you're prepared to change a tire without compromising cab or cargo box space. Simply mount it on the roof rack. Transport your cooler, toolbox, tackle box, and more with a set of corner cargo brackets. The slotted base allows for increased placement flexibility so you can mount it to fit your needs. Multipurpose tool holders are available for the roof rack. They can secure a wide variety of long, narrow items like fishing rods, axes, shovels, rakes, and postal diggers. Easily swap from work to play. Keep your gear organized and secure. The aluminum bed box will store and transport your gear wherever you need to get your work done. Easily transport a chainsaw by adding a chainsaw mount to the cargo box. Use a ratcheting grip to transport tools safely and securely. These U-shaped grips mount directly to the cargo box. Add a front receiver hitch to use any standard 2-inch drawbar or multi-mount winch. This winch can also be mounted to the standard rear receiver hitch. It's rated to pull up to 4,500 pounds. Increase the top travel speed of your gasoline-powered UTV from 35 miles per hour to 40, utilizing a speed kit available from your dealer. With a land-ready collection of Bobcat UTV accessories, you can reach your destination with all the tools you need. Work hard and play hard. See your local Bobcat dealer for more information or visit bobcat.com.